Hi there, welcome to this course on professional photo editing with Adobe Lightroom. My name is Harshit and I am your instructor for this class. In this tutorial, we will be learning various tools and techniques used to edit photos in Lightroom. Lightroom is a powerful software used for simple and advanced photo editing and is being most popular software among everyone from travel bloggers to Instagram influencers, professional photographers, and creative artists. So, if you are thinking what makes Lightroom so powerful, don't worry. Even if you are confused or just starting, you will be learning almost everything in Lightroom. In this course, you will be learning right from the basics of white balance, property controls such as exposure, contrast, tint, hue, to advanced controls such as tone curve, HSL, camera calibration, and much more. You will also learn to apply various transformations, advanced vignette, creating masks with autobrush, radial and graduated filters, spot healing tool, and much more. Moreover, you will also learn to use various presets and creating your own preset from scratch, applying it to various images, exporting it, and uploading it on the net. You will also learn tone correction and various color grading techniques with real life examples. So if you are curious to learn these photo editing skills in Lightroom, start learning right now. See you in the class.